2008, my husband, Stephen Brown, came home and said he was going to start a carpet cleaning business. He got a truck, from the truck, his first van, and now we have a fleet of vans. Think of Photo Finish for carpet cleaning, tile and grout cleaning, air duct cleaning, janitorial services. And for a list of many, many more services that we offer, you may visit us on the web.
You know, I've called other companies in the past, and they come in, they do their job, they leave. They really didn't explain anything to me. But Photo Finish took the time to explain to me what I needed, how it needed to be treated, and then they did the job very well.
Our team is not commission-based. We have no hidden fees, and we give accurate quotes to our customers. We have over a dozen contracts around town, from doctor's offices to high-end retail, schools. Matter of fact, we have realtors that use us for their make-readies and move-in, move-outs. We offer 24-hour water extraction and no need to use our customers' water or electricity. I love my team. They're courteous, and every quarter I make sure that they are updated on everything in the industry.
Really didn't understand how much is involved in taking care of your carpet. I didn't understand that I had to clean it on a regular basis to maintain the warranty. You know, we moved into this new house about a year ago.
We have high ratings with BBB. We have high ratings with Thumbtack, you name it, but nothing makes us more satisfied than the continued referrals from our clients. We realize accidents do happen, so store our number in your phone and give us a call. Thank you for watching.